Hello, investors. Let's do part two of this XYZ analysis. Or in other words, the company's called Block Incorporated, but they changed their ticker symbol to XYZ now. It used to be SQ, which stood for Square. At one point, also used to be called Square. Then Block, now XYZ ticker symbol. Anyways, the previous video, I did a daily chart analysis. What I wanted to show now real quick is one, the technicals, but also an updated numbers in terms of like balance sheets and such. If we zoom out real quick, right, this is what it looks like right now. The interesting thing about this one is that, well, it's been consolidating sideways for quite some time, since basically the 2022 tech bear market that we had with rising interest rates. So since 2022, this thing declined and basically just went sideways for quite some time now, from 2022 all the way till now 2025. Now, if we go to the monthly, we get an even bigger perspective. And then now you're going to see like an even more interesting looking chart. So at one point, right, if we measure the top down, this thing went from $50 all the way to $250. And then the tech bear market 2022 dropped from $250 all the way down to now around 50. Well, at one point around $60. Today, it's currently at $90 and kind of hanging out at the low. So if we measure just like the top down to the bottom, you can see that Square, or I'm sorry, now XYZ, is down 85% from the highs. So that's interesting. One, just to give you folks that, bigger picture perspective by zooming out into the monthly chart. Now I want to show you an updated numbers on the balance sheet, because I noticed the last video, the numbers were as of 2023. So this is now as of September 30th, 2024. Their current assets, it was at 6 billion, now it's at 8 billion, 8.3 billion. That's a lot of cash. So they're not, a tiny entity over here. In terms of total assets this time around, total assets would be 36 billion. And then going down to the liabilities section, total liabilities is 16 billion. So that basically gives us a net total shareholder equity of $19.9 billion. Anyways, folks, wanted to give you the more updated numbers. Let me know what you think.